Seville is known for its massive UNESCO-listed cathedral and the tall La Giralda Tower. There are many other places to explore, like the charming Barrio Santa Cruz with its tapas bars, shops, and plazas. Enjoy the sun by walking through the gardens of Parque Maria Luisa and seeing the stunning Plaza de España. The real Alcazar Palace is a must-see for its royal Moorish history. For easy sightseeing, take the hop-on, hop-off bus. Don't miss Seville's lively nightlife and summer outdoor events. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite spots in Seville or any questions you have. So, let's get started. Number 1. Royal Alcazar of Seville. The south of Spain is full of history, shaped by both the Moors and Catholics over many centuries. One of the best places to see this mix of cultures is the Royal Alcazar of Seville. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a large palace with many beautiful areas. The most stunning part is the Patio de los Donceles, a courtyard with peaceful ponds. These ponds reflect the detailed mutajar-style plasterwork, which is one of the palace's most famous features. The Royal Alcazar is a must-visit for anyone who loves history, amazing architecture, and breathtaking views. 2. Plaza de España. Seville's Plaza de España was built for the Ibero-American Exposition in 1929. This huge semicircular square is famous for its beautiful brick and tile fountains, canals, and small bridges, which is why people call it the Venice of Seville. At both ends of the plaza, you can see tall towers designed in a mix of Renaissance and Neo-Moorish styles. The entire square is inside Maria Luisa Park, making it a great place to visit. The stunning details and peaceful waterways make it one of Seville's most impressive landmarks, where visitors can walk, take photos, or even ride small boats in the canal. 3. Seville Cathedral. Seville Cathedral is the world's largest Gothic cathedral, built on the site of a former mosque. It has a stunning gold altarpiece at its main altar, showing 36 scenes from the life of Christ. Inside, you can also see the tomb of Christopher Columbus and artworks by famous painters like Goya and Murillo. One of its most famous features is the Giralda Tower, a tall and beautiful structure that was once a minaret. The cathedral is a masterpiece of history and architecture, attracting visitors from around the world to admire its beauty and rich past. 4. Torre del Oro. The Torre del Oro is a famous 12-sided tower in Seville, standing by the Guadalquivir River. Built in the 13th century during the rule of the Almohads, a Berber Muslim dynasty, this historic landmark has played many roles over time. Its name, meaning golden tower, may come from the golden shine it once had. Today, it is home to a small naval museum where visitors can learn about Seville's maritime history. Climb to the top for beautiful views of the city and river. Whether you love history or just want a great view, the Torre del Oro is a must-visit spot in Seville. 5. Seville Bullring. Seville's Bullring, called Plaza de Toros de la Maestranta, is the oldest in Spain. This historic arena played a big role in the evolution of bullfighting, as the fight changed from horseback to foot here. Many famous matador traditions began in this very place. The construction of the bullring was completed in the late 18th century, and today, it stands as a stunning example of Baroque architecture, painted in beautiful yellow and white colors. The arena remains an important symbol of Spanish culture and attracts visitors from all over the world who want to learn about the history of bullfighting. 6. Metropol Parasol. In the northwest corner of El Centro, near Plaza de la Encarnacion, you can't miss the Metropol Parasol. Built in 2011, this huge wooden structure is made of 6 giant mushroom-shaped sections, standing about 90 feet tall. Locals call it Los Cetas, or the Mushrooms, because of its fun design. It is said to be the largest wooden structure in the world. This modern landmark is a popular spot for locals and tourists. It has a fresh food market, restaurants, and takeaway stalls. You can also visit an archaeological museum, walk along the rooftop paths for great views, or relax in the open-air square below. 7. Casa de Pilatos. Pilate's house in Seville is a beautiful palace influenced by the Italian Renaissance. Built between the 15th and 16th centuries for the governors of Andalusia, it stands on land taken during the Inquisition. The palace features one of Seville's most stunning mutajar courtyards, decorated with Roman statues. Inside, 150 colorful azulejo tile designs cover the walls, and the ceilings are richly decorated. It was the city's largest private home and got its name from an ancestor's pilgrimage to the Holy Land. Many films, like Lawrence of Arabia and Kingdom of Heaven, were shot here. The first floor was cool for summer, while the second was warmer in winter. 8. Amphitheater of Italica. The Amphitheater of Italica is one of Spain's best preserved Roman sites. Built between 117 and 138 AD, it could hold up to 25,000 spectators, making it one of the largest amphitheaters of the Roman Empire. It hosted events like gladiator fights, animal battles, and executions. Visitors can explore different levels, including the arena floor, where these events took place. The site also has a museum displaying Roman artifacts, showing everyday life and special ceremonies. Made of limestone blocks without mortar, the oval-shaped structure showcases Roman engineering and offers a glimpse into ancient history. 9. Barrio Santa Cruz. Barrio Santa Cruz is a historic neighborhood in Seville, once the Jewish quarter during the Moorish rule. Many of its churches were originally synagogues. The area features narrow, winding cobblestone streets, whitewashed houses with charming porches, and pleasant plazas with outdoor cafes. Key attractions include the Centro de Interpretación Judía de Sevilla, which explains the city's Jewish history, and the Hospital de los Venerables Sacerdotes, a 17th century hospital now housing art collections. Don't miss a stroll through the Jardines de Murillo, offering beautiful views of parks with palm trees, fountains, and tiled benches. 10. Maria Luisa Park. Located south of Seville's historic center, this large green park was once the private garden of the nearby Palace of San Telmo. In 1893, it was opened to the public. The park has tree-lined paths, beautiful fountains, and is home to Plaza de España, a grand square built for the 1989 World's Fair. It's a peaceful place to walk, relax, and enjoy the surroundings, offering a perfect blend of nature and history in Seville. The park's charm and wide spaces make it a popular spot for both locals and visitors.